Hey guys, just wanted to come and shoot a quick video for you all. We know there's a lot of tough times going on, so we just wanted to give some quick bullets. And then of course, as always, comment below and let us know if this is helpful or if you want to go deeper on this topic in one of our Tuesday or Thursday webinars. Quite honestly, there's a quick frame for this, right? And it's just, first and foremost, protecting everything that you got going on around you. Like, first thing is protecting your mind. If you can't keep your mind straight and you can't keep it organized, kind of hard to get through a tough time, right? If you're always thinking about the bad thing that could happen or the bad thing that's going to happen, it's not how you're going to progress. Actually, I'll relate back to a thing I've heard with Navy SEALs training, right? Which is how do they get through the infamous Hell Week, right? They don't think about the week ahead and all the torturous things they're going to go through. They think about the next footstep and the next evolution and getting through that thing. And so maybe that'll help you, kind of protect your mind a little bit and pivot. What do you want to add, Gary?
Yeah, I think sum it up to 3 P's. You and I talk about this all the time. It's first off, you got to protect, then you want to pivot, then you want to profit. So protect what you have. You want to protect the revenue. That also is going to be things like, working on cutting expenses quick, that realign. The pivot is the business model. So if we're heading into a recessionary market, we've been in a euphoric market, right? With all growth, a recession, you want to pivot to make sure that you got the right business model. And then you start focusing on profit, right? And one piece is like forced profitability. That's a big one. So a lot of people, if they're losing too much money too fast, they go broke, right? There's profit and then there's cash, cash in the bank, and those both have to be monitored. A lot of it is around mindset. I think this is a great time to do it. You actually talked about it. You can't be, especially a leader in our business, you cannot be, the emotionally watching all the crazy stuff on TV. You need to be focused on business because this is what we do, right? This is all CEOs and business owners have to be adjusting, especially on these cycle changes. So I think it's really summed up in the 3 P's.
Yes.
It's protect what you got, pivot your business model and make sure that you're properly set up for going into the new market, and then focus on profitability, profit. I love the wholesaling model right now. You and I have been chatting about this. I think the wholesaling model right now is the business, and then it's going to quickly be shifting into buy and hold for the long haul. So there's going to be an opportunity. You want to be positioned properly. That's what we're doing on the pivot side. We've been planning this for years.
Yeah, absolutely. So again, comment below. Let us know if any of this is helpful, or if you want, let us know. We can go way deeper in these 3 P's, which there's a lot to expand upon, more than we could do in a quick video real quick, but just wanted to get something out to y'all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and let us know if this is helpful or you want us to go deeper on this topic. We'll get back with you later.